I'm 6'2". I definitely feel a whole lot more spaced out on the Vulcan 900s, but this really isn't bad. These Vance & Hines pipes, they got some sound to them, and I mean they're pretty loud. So if you're looking for a loud bike, awesome. The bike's got pretty good power. It's your normal cruiser bike, very similar to a, I would take this over a Shadow 750 for sure. Alright, joys of riding a motorcycle. You can see that we'll hit highway speeds before we even get on the on-ramp. The bike feels good, it's got plenty of power. I'm cruising pretty good and I still have a lot of throttle left. Watch me turn my throttle and it keeps on going. Now you're really, when you're going like the speed limit, let's say you're down south and you're doing like 65, 75, I mean it's actually a real nice sweet spot. You feel real comfortable at those speeds. The bike doesn't feel like it's over revving or you know, using too much energy. Truth, I actually feel pretty good on the bike. Even though I'm used to riding much bigger bikes, it actually feels pretty comfortable. And if you wanted to change the handlebars to maybe, you know, sit up a little higher, you'd definitely feel a little spaced out, but my legs feel great. I mean, they're bent in the same way that they would be if I'm sitting on like an Ultra Classic or something like that. Let's do it all over again. And it really does have a nice sound to it. So once again, I'm cruising highway speeds, and it feels good. I mean, I could definitely do this for a long period of time. It's not as, there's no extra vibration or anything like that. I mean, you might feel more comfortable on a bigger bike cruising these speeds. The RPMs probably be lower, but it still feels great.